Which among the following devices is also known as visual display unit? A printer. B. Scanner. C. Trackball. D. Monitor. Correct answer is D. Monitor. Which of the following is keyboard shortcut to reload the current page in Google search engine? A. F3. B. F7. C. F5. D. F1. Correct answer is C. F5. Crypto locker is a form of which of the following? A. Ransomware. B. Worms. C. Spyware. D. Adware. Correct answer is A. Ransomware. Which one of the following folders is used to store deleted emails? A. Inbox. B. Spam. C. Trash. D. Drafts. Correct answer is C. Trash. Which of the following options refers to the layout arrangement of different devices in a network? A. Transmission mode. B. Network topology. C. Closed systems. D. Open systems. Correct answer is B. Network topology. An erasable programmable read-only memory retains its content until it is exposed to the A. Electrical signals. B. Radio signals. C. Magnetic signals. D. Ultraviolet light. Correct answer is D. Ultraviolet light. What is the diameter of a Blu-ray disc? A. 100 mm. B. 115 mm. C. 120 mm. D. 110 mm. Correct answer is C. 120 mm. Text editors and text formatters belong to which category of computing? A. Word processors. B. Language translator. C. Interpreter. D. Compiler. Correct answer is A. Word processors. Which of the following is also termed as main memory of computer? A. RAM. B. ROM. C. Hard disk. D. Compact disk. Correct answer is A. RAM. Trackball is which of the following devices? A barcode reader. B. Touchpad. C. Output device. D. Input device. Correct answer is D. Input device. Which of the following operation is mainly performed by RAM? A. Read only. B. Read and write. C. Write only. D. Depends on the system. Correct answer is B. Read and write. In web browser, which of the following is responsible for displaying the web pages? A. Server. B. Rendering engine. C. Page engine. D. Search optimization H engine. Correct answer is B. Rendering engine. Which of the following is not a magnetic disk? A. Disk pack. B. DVD. C. Winchester disk. D. Zip disk. Correct answer is B. DVD. C. Language is A. A. Low-level language. B. High-level language. C. Machine-level language. D. Assembly-level language. Correct answer is B. High-level language. A group where is A. A. Hardware. B. Network. C. Software. D. Firmware. Correct answer is C. Software. In which of the following areas a spreadsheet software is more useful? A. Psychology. B. Publishing. C. Statistics. D. Message sending. Correct answer is C. Statistics. An alternate name for the completely interconnected network topology is A. Mesh. B. Star. C. Tree. D. Ring. Correct answer is A. Mesh. Which computer was the first to use the magnetic drum for memory? A. IBM 650. B. IBM 7090. C. IBM 701. D. IBM 360. Correct answer is A. IBM 650. Which of the following is an impact printer? A. Daisy wheel printer. B. Inkjet printer. C. Bubble jet printer. D. Laser printer. Correct answer is A. Daisy wheel printer. Processor's speed of a computer is measured in A. BPS. B. MIPS. C. Baud. D. Hertz. Correct answer is B. MIPS.